Man, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy. Yo, I'm back to bring you a video today, and I'm stepping out of my zone of videos. Normally I do videos, I do vlog videos, challenges, and you know, pretty much whatever I want to do. But today I'm bringing you guys a video to review this tripod. I just bought a new tripod, and I feel like this is the journey of a very good relationship with this tripod. So if you guys are looking for a tripod to buy, I suggest buying this one. It's a very inexpensive tripod. It's the Joilcan 65 inch. It goes for $32 on Amazon, $33. I'll leave that link in the description so you guys can check it out. But if you need like a tripod for your small camera like mine, or my big heavy duty professional camera, this is probably a tripod you want to start out with. So today I'm just gonna give you guys a little review, a little unboxing, so you guys can see like what's actually in this box. There's a wide range of like tripods out there. Like I'm talking about, you know, $100 range, $200 range of tripods. For me, I just want this tripod for when I'm doing videos for you guys, and maybe outdoor portraits of myself, which I'm going to do in this video. So yeah guys, if you like stuff like this, leave a comment, you know, let me know. I have a whole bunch of gear and stuff that I buy over the years, and I really want to like review them. I just got to figure out if I have the right platform. Anyways, but guys, this is a tripod that I bought on Amazon. It's called Acuvar. It's a 50 inch height, and it's $13. Like, I went OD cheap. I had an expensive tripod before and I broke it because I didn't I used to travel a lot to do photography, and like as I was bringing it, I wouldn't put it in the bag. I would just throw it like in an actual bag, and like somehow a piece of it like broke off, and that was the end of it. So what I did was I went the cheaper route and I bought this little tripod right here, and it was okay for a little bit, but it just couldn't handle like the payload of like an actual camera. So I'm gonna show you guys like what happened. Like I'm even missing the piece to like go in there, but as you can see, like it's not really stable. Like, I don't know, like that's, you know, look at that. But let me show you. So this is what would happen when I put my professional camera on it, right? So I'll put it on it, and it would sit like right here, but then the weight of it would make my camera go down a little bit. So what I had to do was had to even it out by cranking it up all the way like that, and put my camera on it, which will bring it down to like a level position like that. And I was making it work just because like I don't really shoot on a tripod when I'm in the studio anyways. It was just for like recording purposes like this. I don't know, it's good, it gets to a good height, but you know, it's a bit flimsy. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's a bit flimsy, but if you don't have $33 to buy the one that I have, there's more tripods out there that is a little bit cheaper, that would fit your budget. But 33 is not that bad. Like, I would much rather pay twice as much for the tripod that I have now than to have this. Like, trust me, like this is the big, like, oh my god, this is probably like, it's probably good for an iPhone, like fitting the iPhone on there. I wouldn't recommend like this. Like this is heavy. All right, now to the unboxing, guys. Let me show you what is in the box for this new tripod. I'm so excited because I'm about to take some pictures with it, and just to show you guys how it works, like, you know. All right guys, let's get to opening the box, man. Let's see what's in the box. All right, so this is what the box look like, right? I'm saying Joilcan. All right, so inside the box we got a bag. All right guys, so it comes in a nice nice bag, look at that. Ooh, fashion statement. Yeah, you know, you're going on a mountain or something. Yeah, perfect. Let's get in there. Let's get in there, get in there, get in there. All right, guys, here we go. Ooh-wee. I got the red. Red is my favorite color, you know. Yeah, look how slick that looks. So let me get this out the bag. Dropping stuff, man. Alright, we don't care about that. Manual. We don't need that. What's this? Okay. Here we go, guys. This is it. Look at that. Wow. I'm just gonna open it up. I had one similar to this, so I kind of know how to do it. But you hear that? Quality. You hear that? Barely any rattling or anything like that. So this is the smallest that it can go, which is still good if, you know, let's say I wanted to prop the camera back up here on my table. I could get a height maybe from this. So this is how high my little tripod is. So I'll have to lean in and, you know, maybe arc the camera really high up like so to kind of get a view. Instead of doing all of that, I can prop my camera on this tripod and it'll be like, you know, head distance. So this is gonna be really handy. I just want to open it up and kind of show you guys, like, compared to my height, how tall you can actually get this tripod. All right. Oh, guys, look, they even have a little handle at the side. How good is that for carrying this back? How good is that for carrying this? Like, that's amazing. You also have a hook underneath. You can hook your bags underneath here. I don't have a bag with me right now, but I'm just gonna use the one that it came in, for example. You put it under there, you hook it. I will most likely use my camera bag for this, just to hook it so I can have like some weight onto it. So if I'm outside and I'm shooting and it's windy, like how it is now, it will hold it down and you will have, you know, additional sturdiness to it. Guys, that's it for the tripod. Like, it's not really, like, look how tall this tripod is right here. Like, really, like, I'll have to squat down a little bit just to kind of, you know, but it's perfect though. Perfect. Nice looking tripod. Okay guys, so to review to review this tripod, I would say that this tripod is very much worth the buy. I'm really like an intermediate professional like photographer, and I feel like this is pretty good anyways. So I think you'll be okay if you're just starting out and you need a really good tripod, or if you're professional and you really need a good tripod and you don't want to spend too much. Like, nobody have time to be spending like 200. Guys, you don't need a tripod that's like $200. I'm telling you, you don't need a tripod that's $200. Anyways, look at this comparison though. So this is my old tripod versus my new tripod, right? Look at that. Swallowed. Done. Oh my god. You came a long way. Definitely came a long way. Guys, you can still pick this up. It will be good for you if you have a phone, anything of that sort. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go outside and pretty much just put this to use. So I'm gonna hook up my my DSLR camera to it, and I'm gonna take some, you know, some portraits of myself just to kind of show you guys how handy this tripod is. All right, let's go. Alright, so I know you guys can see it. Right now I'm in the direct sun. Dang, this camera. Anyways, I know you guys can see the comparison. Like, this tripod, the newer one that I bought, is a monster compared to the older version. And guys, it's mad sturdy. Like, it is not moving at all. And it's not even too level here on the ground. So look, and it's up to my chest. Compared to this old version, it's a little bit below. You know, look how wobbly this is though. See that? Like, that's mad wobbly. Look at this bad boy right here. Look at that. Way more professional. So guys, right now I'm just gonna take some photos of myself. You know, using my timer. I hope you guys like this video. I didn't want to go too much into specs because there's not really much specs when you're dealing with like a tripod or anything like that. But if you guys are looking for a tripod for your room, if you're looking for a tripod just to have so you can take portraits of your family, this tripod is very much affordable and it is worth it. You get a couple different colors with it. I think you could get blue, you can get black, and red, and also orange. I'll leave the description below. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this small video, man. I'll see you. It's your boy